Hello everyone. My name is 𝐅𝐢𝐧𝐝 Kashyap and I'm here with my friend
Sandy Mansky
to recite a short dialogue on area by counting units. Sanvi, exams are coming near and this topic is very important. Can you explain how to find the area by counting units?
Oh yeah, this is so simple. So the first shape is a diamond, and to find the area by counting units, you have to count the full boxes. So in total there are 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 full boxes. Now let's count the half ones. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now we have to divide 8 by 2. So 8 divided by 2 is 4. So 4 plus 4 equals to 8. So in total there are 8 square units.
Oh, that is really simple. Let me try to solve this one. So first we have to count the full boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So there are 10 full boxes and there are 1, 2, 3, 4 half boxes. So 4 halves makes 2 fulls. So if we add 10 plus 2, then it's going to be 12 square units.
Yes, you're correct. Now let me do this rocket-shaped one. So first, as I said, you have to count the full boxes. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 full boxes. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4 half boxes. So 4 divided by 2 is 2. So 6 plus 2 equals to 8 square units.
Oh, okay. So let me try to solve this one. It seems a bit tricky. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 full boxes and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But there are 5 halves. How can you divide 5 by 2?
So if you can't divide 5 by 2, first take only 4 halves. So 4 divided by 2 is 2. So 6 plus 2 equals to 8. And since there's one more half box left, you can do 8.5 boxes.
Oh, now that makes sense.
Yes. So try this one.
Okay, this is a lot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So there are 18 full boxes. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 half boxes. So 8 halves makes 4 fulls. So 18 plus 4 equals 22. So is a square unit 22?
Yes, you are correct. So now let's do this one together.
Okay.
So there are 1, 2, 3, 4 full boxes, and there are
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 half boxes.
So 8 divided by 2 is
4.
Yes. So 4 plus 4 is 8. So there are 8 square units.
Okay, this seems a bit too easy after learning it, so let's do an even easier one. This one seems a bit too hard. Let's try to do an even easier one.
Sure.
Oh look, this is so easy to solve. I can count these two so easily. Let me try to find the area of these. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 full boxes, so that means the counting unit and the area is 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 total square units in that one.
Yes, now let me try to do these two. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are 7 full boxes. And here there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 full boxes. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 halves. So 6 divided by 2 is 3. So 6 plus 3 equals to 9.
Sanvi, after doing these two, this feels a bit too easy. Let's try an even harder one now.
Sure. This one seems a little tricky. So as I said before, let's count the full boxes first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. So there are 20 full boxes. Now let's count the ones which are not full. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. So there are 20 not full boxes. So let's divide 20 by 2. It's 10. So the square unit of this is approximately 30 square units.
Okay, so let me count these ones. So first let's count the full ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are 8 full ones. Now let's count the non-full ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So there are 19 not full boxes. So we can't divide 19 by 2, so we're going to first have to divide 18 by 2, and that's going to be 9. So we're going to add a 0.5 to it. Then we have to add 9.5 by 8. Then that's going to be 17.5. So the square unit of this shape is 17.5.
So I hope you learned something about area by counting units. Thank you.